Welcome. Today, we're going to talk about something we all face, but few of us truly manage well: stress. Stress doesn't ask for permission. It sneaks in through busy schedules, unrealistic expectations, difficult conversations, and constant pressure. It builds quietly until one day, it feels like too much. But here's the truth. Stress is not your enemy. It's your body asking you to pause, to listen, to change something. And the good news is, you can. There are strategies, simple yet powerful, that can help you reduce stress and regain your balance. Let's begin with the first one: deep, intentional breathing. It sounds too simple to work. But research shows that just a few minutes of deep breathing can reset your nervous system. Try this. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, out for 4, and hold again. Repeat. You'll feel your mind settle. Next, move your body. You don't need a gym. A short walk, stretching, dancing in your room. Anything that gets you out of your head and into your body. Movement releases endorphins. They're nature's stress relievers. Now, disconnect to reconnect. Our phones and screens are constant sources of stimulation. And often, of stress. Set boundaries. Unplug. Take moments during your day to be fully present without a screen. Even 5 minutes of silence can change the energy of your whole day. Let's talk about mindfulness. This isn't about sitting perfectly still or thinking about nothing. It's about noticing. Noticing how you feel. Noticing your breath. Noticing the sounds around you without judging them. Mindfulness trains your brain to stay in the present, where stress can't dominate. Another powerful tool is journaling. Write your thoughts. Dump your worries on paper. When you write, you externalize the chaos inside your mind. And suddenly, it feels less overwhelming. Sleep and nutrition also play a major role. Lack of sleep magnifies stress. Poor nutrition makes your body less resilient. Take care of your body, and your mind will follow. Here's one of the most underrated stress reducers: saying no. You can't be everything to everyone. You have the right to protect your time and energy. Every no to something draining is a yes to your peace. And finally, connect. Talk to someone. Don't carry it all alone. Share your thoughts with a friend, a mentor, a coach, or even a therapist. Connection brings perspective. And perspective reduces pressure. Remember, stress is not weakness. It's a signal. And with the right strategies, you can listen to that signal and transform it. You deserve calm. You deserve clarity. You deserve to feel in control again. Take a moment today. Start with one change. And watch how everything begins to shift. You're not here just to survive your days. You're here to live them. Fully. Peacefully. Powerfully.